Good morning. I'm Dr. Hobart Smith from the Family Practice Center, and I know that we're all worried now about this coronavirus COVID-19 that is sweeping the world. It can be very scary, and so I'd like to give everybody a few guidelines we can do for help preventing or slowing the spread of this virus COVID-19. Right now it's spreading throughout the world, and it's entered the United States. And it's also spreading rapidly here. We have over 46 of the 50 states that already have confirmed cases. And it's the hope of the medical community to try to slow this spread so we can develop more vaccines, or possibly in the future a vaccine to prevent the disease and slow it down. So what are the signs and symptoms of the COVID-19 virus? Well, about 80% of people are going to get a mild disease, maybe not much worse than the common cold, maybe a little worse. You probably have developed a fever at some point. A dry cough is very common. Malaise, fatigue, body aches, and if it gets worse, some difficulty breathing. If you have these symptoms, what should you do? Well, first of all, we want to prevent this from spreading this to other people, so you should self-quarantine, stay at home, treat yourself with hydration, make sure you drink plenty of fluids. You should treat any fever or cough with over-the-counter cough medicines and fever relievers like Tylenol or Advil. And if you feel like you need to be tested, you can call the Texas State Health Department. The number is 956-682-6155. That's 956-682-6155. And they can give you updates about when and where you can be tested. It's best not to flood the private doctor's offices or even the emergency rooms unless you're very ill, because at least the doctor's offices are not equipped to treat or diagnose this disease at this time. And then to be more likely to spread it to other people, other patients, or to the doctors and nurses themselves. So seek medical attention only if you have severe illness, a fever that very high, or severe shortness of breath. Then you should either call your doctor's office for advice or call an ambulance and tell them ahead of time that you have this sickness so they can be prepared with the proper gear so they won't be infected. Hopefully the health department will shortly be setting up testing where you can go to a central location and get a test without infecting other people. I hope this information will help all of us. Thank you.